Forest Department official says a bolero vehicle bearing the number TR02L-1557 carrying stolen timber worth 1 lakh rupees during a raid in the North Hurwa area of Bagbasa Assembly constituency. The raid was led by Dharmanagar Subdivision Forest Officer Ashok Kumar. About 70 feet of stolen timber was recovered into this operation. The market value of the recovered stolen timber is estimated to be around 1 lakh rupees, said Ashok Kumar, Forest Officer of Dharmanagar Sub-District. He also said that the operation was conducted based on secret information. They had advance information that timber was being smuggled in a bolero vehicle bearing the number TR02L-1557. Based on that information, Forest Department officials started patrolling various roads in the northern district on Wednesday. Forest Department officials signaled the vehicle loaded with timber to stop on the road from Kameshwar to Kalachora. But the driver tried to flee with the vehicle. While fleeing, the wood-laden vehicle lost control in the North Hurwa area and fell into the roadside field. The driver escaped using the opportunity.
4 बजे पेट्रोलिंग पे निकले थे स्टाफ के साथ में, तो पेट्रोलिंग के ड्यूरिंग में नॉर्थ हुरवा में जब गए तब देखा गया कि एक बोलेरो पिकअप के साथ में ये अराउंड 2 क्यूबिक मीटर माल है, तो जिसकी मार्केट वैल्यू लगभग 1 लाख रुपए है। तो बोलेरो पिकअप भी पकड़ी है और साथ में ये कार्ट भी पकड़ी है।
कितना कार्ट है सर?
इसमें 2 क्यूबिक मीटर के आसपास कार्ट है।
Later, the Forest Department staff recovered the wood-laden vehicle and took it to the North District Forest Department office. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.